Oh, look what you got there. Massive AK.
Nice big juicy mag.
Oh, ow! Dickhead.
Right, let's get going. No. I was asking if that was yours.
No, it's not mine.
Sorry?
It's not mine.
It's not yours. It's not, is it mine? No, it's not mine either. I'll give it to a marshal.
Stick it on the Citadel post.
Yeah. Someone seemed to have dropped the pistol down over in the area and among the bunch of bushes. Yeah, so I don't know who it is. I think it's someone from the red team, but yeah.
Okay. Well,
if you don't find someone who owns it, I'm happy to take it.
I got it on the Valentine's Day deal.
Where they were doing like the pink spray and stuff.
Pink for free is the one.
You like pink?
Nah, hate it. I can't stand it.
Pink is a fabulous colour. Got him. Nice. Oh. Oh, nice straight. Can I hop on? Can I hop on? Yeah.
What?
Can I hop on?
Can you have it?
No, can I hop on?
You hop on?
Yeah. Nah. Yeah, he's coming towards here.
Is it?
Yeah, he's just sort of 12 o'clock from where I'm facing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
There he is. Ah, fuck! Oh, hey, good shot. Oh, fuck. Whew. Yeah, I just read at that building over there. Yeah, you know that little hut over there, you see? Yeah, he's there. Sure. Let's gain up on him. No, comrade. Hit. Oh. Oh, we got, are they pushing here? Oh, yeah, they're coming here. Nice. We don't have any yellow spawns there. Ah, you lost your mag? Ugh. Do you know where you lost it?
Been looking for a long time.
It's probably gone now. You'll probably just have to ask the marshal for another mag.
Bang, 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 bang. Taking that? You taking that yellow?
Nah, you have to shoot me. Oh.
Just keep going. Just straight on.
Alright, come on, Max, let's go.
Just nobody. Just become Russian. Just go.
Go backwards.
All the way
Head backwards. I'm gonna push your head.
Ah, there we go. How do you
It went through all your wires, your earpiece and everything.
You got to push it. Move together. Let's not stop. Push it. Pass the pass. Shoot.
To the left! There you go.
Yeah.
Do you want to lead or do you want me to go first?
I'm gonna go one far, quite fast.
You're gonna go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can one far.
Go, 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 go!
Go.
Oh shit! Jesus, fuck, that hurts. Oh my god, I'm covered in thorns. Bye.